Good morning, guys. Just wanted to send out a quick little video with instructions for how to run your lessons this week. If you go into It's Learning, you can see I've broken down on each day what you're supposed to do, even making note of like where copies are and examples and things like that. Today, Monday, I want you to go into your Unit 8 Linear Programming. You do have a little quiz this Friday. It's a choice board where it means I give you like 9 problems and you get to choose which 2 you want to do. So, okay, here's our week. We're getting close to wrapping this up. This is your video on linear programming that I want you to watch and take notes from today. It is a longer video. It will take most of your class time. After the video, I want you to go back in and do number 2 that we skipped up here, and then do numbers 1 through 3 here. No, systems with 3 variables. Maybe it's number 2 up here. I'm sorry, the systems with 3 variables. Make sure that number 2 got done. And but anyway, if that hasn't been done before today, you can either do it today or tomorrow. It really doesn't matter. But you do want to go in and watch this video today. And it is a little longer, but then afterwards just do the 3 practice problems here. You can look for your keys. They'll be here for everything that's in this section. Okay, here are all your keys. Alright. And of course, if you have any questions, just hit me up in It's Learning, and that's not for you guys. There's that. Anyway, I hope you have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.